Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa in case you are new, and this is my husband.
My name is Ariel.
And we have the kids in the back.
Hi.
AJ and Vanessa. AJ's taking off his braces, his Invisalign, so that's why you can't see him. Okay, so today we are eating fish and chips. We're in Pacifica and we went to a restaurant, one of our favorite ones actually. It's called Camelot Fish and Chips. And
it's a hole in the wall. It's a very good.
Yeah, it's a really good restaurant. Ooh, this is hot. Okay, this is chicken. So the kids, they just wanted chicken. Look at this. I can
smell it.
Chicken and chips. This is chicken, right?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Out, guys.
Thanks. You're welcome. Vanessa got the same thing. Oh, the boxes are really hot, you guys. You might not be able to hold it. I don't know. Can you hold yours, AJ? Is it okay?
I'm just putting it on my lap.
Yeah. They messed up our order. Well, I ordered 2 combos, but he only charged me for one. I just checked my receipt. So Ariel and I are just gonna share, which is fine. The fish is pretty big. So you guys, this is chicken. And then we have the fish, chips at the bottom, and we also got oysters. We got this combo deal. The combination platter. Okay, you want tartar sauce?
Yes.
We have tartar sauce. We were gonna eat inside, but it's so busy. And this took actually 35 minutes, right?
Yeah.
You guys like it?
Very good.
Got tartar sauce. I didn't open it good.
Yeah.
I think I got it. There you go. If you have garbage, I can put it in here. Okay. Which one did you eat? What did you just eat?
Fried. You should eat the fish and chip with the tartar sauce. And there's vinegar too, also there.
You want the vinegar?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's hot.
Ooh, look at the fish. Oh yeah, look at that. It's so hot, you guys. It's steaming. Here's your vinegar. Malt vinegar. There you go. I opened it very little.
I'm just gonna.
You can put it on, yeah. I like it too, yeah.
Okay.
Ooh. Okay. I want the small one. Is that one smaller, you think?
Oh. You can do that.
My fish fell out. It's too hot. I'll get it later. It's really hot, you guys. Okay, with the tartar sauce. And we put vinegar on it. Oh my god. It's so good, huh?
You haven't been here for years.
Yeah. It's so hot. I'm burning my finger.
Want more vinegar?
Sure. I should have got a fork, huh? It's so hot. I didn't think it would be this hot. It's like burning my fingers. We've been craving fish and chips for the longest time, you guys. This is really, really good. Ooh, hot. So is your craving finally satisfied?
We got the fried oysters too. That's what I'm also craving for.
Yeah. I haven't had fried oysters in like forever. I can't even remember. Do you guys like fish and chips? Or oysters? They have shrimp too. They have... What else do they have? Mussels? And calamari?
Fried mushrooms. Calamari.
Fried mushrooms, yeah. They have jalapeno poppers. They have crab cakes too.
Is this garbage?
Yeah. Another one.
What do you dip with
I use a tartar sauce too.
The
oysters? Yeah, okay. Let's try the oyster. Oh, you want to open your sauce? Go ahead. I'll wait for you.
It got stuck in my teeth.
Which one? The fish?
Yeah. We went to the dentist today, guys. All of us for cleaning.
Oh, yeah, we just got our teeth cleaned earlier today. I feel like you can easily get things in your teeth now. Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right. Jalapeno. Oyster.
Fried oyster.
Fried oyster. Let's do this.
Mmm. As soon as you bite into its flavor.
Oh my gosh.
Flavor City.
Mm. This is heaven.
It's like juicy and I don't know, it's so good.
We need the recipe to this.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Bomb.
That's the one right there.
Yeah. You can finish this.
Okay.
You do look like it too.
It's okay to make a mess in my car.
Today.
Today, I'm off tomorrow. I'm gonna
Daddy will clean it tomorrow.
Yeah.
He'll vacuum.
Mm.
Okay. We also have some chicken. Vanessa gave me one of her chicken tenders. Mmm. Mmm. This is good. The seasoning on here is really good. You agree?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Mm-hmm.
Dr. Pepper.
Mama, doesn't it look like a shrimp?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a tail.
Yeah. I was thinking of getting shrimp too, but I couldn't. I really wanted oysters and shrimp, but I thought I'll just get oyster because we can get shrimp anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
You want ketchup?
No, thank you. I'll just use tartar sauce for everything.
Really?
Let's try it without no sauce. Mm-hmm. So, man, I'm sweating.
I know.
So right now it's 75 degrees or 70
Yeah, it's
degrees.
like perfect weather.
But I don't usually sweat.
I think because the food was so hot and it made it hot in here. Because it was steaming, right?
I'm literally sweating right now.
Yeah.
Mm.
Oops. There's a lot of ketchup packets. I'm gonna eat my second oyster.
Mm-hmm.
Can I have some of your tartar?
Sure.
Thanks. Okay. I don't think I showed you guys up close the oyster.
You bite into it and then show.
Yeah, okay.
Ooh.
I'll show you guys the inside. Mmm. You can see the oyster in there. Go.
Wow.
That's the oyster inside. It's pretty good.
I think this. Do we have salt?
Yeah, we do.
I think the
fries?
the fries need more salt.
I don't think they salt them.
Yeah.
They don't salt them. You have to do it yourself. Oh, unless you ask for it. I'm actually pretty full. Good thing,
Yeah.
good thing we
Good job.
shared. Yeah.
What was the sign?
It turned out pretty good and we saved money too.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know for a fact I can't eat all this.
Yeah, me too.
It's a lot.
Now you guys know for next time.
Yeah, now we know for next time. How about you guys? Did you finish your food?
No.
I'm going to.
I only ate 2.
You done?
Yeah.
Bring it here. Oh, AJ wants it.
Yeah, but not right now.
Okay, just save it for him. You want her chicken or you're full?
No, I'm full. I'm so full right now.
Yeah, we have a lot. They give you a lot of French fries.
Yeah, they look. He said they look like In-N-Out fries.
But thicker.
Thicker.
So good. What was that? So after this, we're gonna go to Target. Target, my favorite store. We're gonna go shopping. Just for some stuff that we need for the house. and some groceries. Can you even taste the salt?
No.
This one has salt on it. You want it?
I think everything tastes good. It's just the fries. I think
They're bland.
they're bland. They need more flavor. They need something. It's like okay.
Oh my god. I got it.
It's a little fry. Sorry guys, I'm just like not shooing you guys.
He's shooing you away.
Yeah, I'm actually done.
This was a lot of food.
Yeah, I'm very happy right now.
You are?
Yeah.
Where's my ketchup? Oh. I love fries, you guys. I just like any kind of fry. I love fries in general.
Yeah.
I like thin and crispy fries.
I like any kind of fry. I don't discriminate against the fries. Okay, last bite. I'm full. Excuse me.
I think I'm done with something about. I like the crispy ones.
Yeah, the little ones. I'm joking. Ooh. Okay, I'm full. Ooh, excuse me. Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys, and we'll talk to you guys in our next one. Bye everyone.